So this is Krystal's first time making smoothie by herself. All right, you ready? All right, put it on, put it on. Whoa! Just hold it. Yeah, hold it. Just hold it. Yeah, put it down. Hold it. Yeah. There we go. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Yeah, that way. Open. You got it?
No.
Okay. Pour some out. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Is it good?
It looks very, very chunky.
Very chunky.
Yeah.
It didn't blend well?
No. This time I made
Krystal completed all by herself.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
And it's really chunky.
Dragon fruit smoothie.
And this time it's really chunky. Really chunky.
Yeah, and Karen's eating it. Yeah. Wow, you like dragon fruit? More. More. Yeah, he loves it. He loves it. Just like you two. You guys love it too.
This is really, we can have smoothies, right?
Yeah.
Because it's liquid.
Yeah. 对啊，赚到。耶，吃咖喱！哇，欣娜煮超大锅的咖喱。哇。
是水要多一点，不能按照它盒子上的概念。
哇。
一定要水要再。
咖喱饭，咖喱饭。
它这个比较干，是不是？按照比例来。那我每次都没煮对啊，感觉。
我从来就没有照它的比例煮过啊。
那你怎么弄呢？
我就是用一大锅水，然后料通通都煮好嘛，然后那个马铃薯跟洋葱先炒过啊，这样马铃薯才不会散掉。你马铃薯先炒过，好好。
马铃薯。
Hi Q， 你也要吃咖喱哦 ？Q 也吃咖喱，好厉害。
没有了。
没有吗？
他怎么可能吃咖喱？
太咸了，太咸了。
然后我就会。
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Come out, come out. Karen, come out. Wow.
Stay in there.
Wait, let her come out, let her come out.
No,
No, I'm filming. Let her come out.
Surprise our mom.
All right, come out, Karen. Whoa.
It's like a Barbie doll.
All right, we're playing Mario Kart. Yeah, right here. You ready to start? Yeah, Luigi's winning. Go, 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 Luigi. Go, 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 Karen. Go. Keep going there, Karen. Go. Oh no, you have to control. You have to do this. Yeah. Yeah. Go, 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 Karen. Go, go, go. Oh, come back, Karen. Come back. Yeah. Good, good, good. Come back. Yeah. Go through the gate. Go through the gate. Hey, Karen. Hey, Karen. 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 Come back. Okay. Karen. Karen. Come back. Luigi. Right here, Luigi. You're doing so good here, Krystal. Wow, going around the gate. Oh, you hit yourself. All right, car's coming. Krystal's car is coming. Hey, you playing with a flashlight? I got my own car too. Right here. Whee! Next race.
I'm looking with a
Wow.
flashlight.
Wow, my car is here. Woo!